Good morning, happy homeowners. Man, Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Hey, got a good one for you today. Turn this around. We're over here in Long Beach. This is old original floor. And normally these floors are like 2-inch wide oak, half-inch thick. This is solid. And the different grains in this, you can see this. Man, we're gonna go the clear. And man, this is gonna turn out crazy beautiful. Gonna leave the floor heater, that still works. This urine stain, the acid in the pet urine just burns it so deep. That's still gonna be there. It's gonna be darker. Just have a wall here. We're gonna have to replace that. We're gonna take the wood out of one of these closets and do that little repair. So the exact same white oak. These little, you can see that little tiger, this little dirty looking stuff. That's from the old original orange carpet pad, and over the years would get wet and sweaty and just kind of stick and melt to the floor. And you got your carpet lines that these guys come in and don't care about, and they just cut straight across the floor, but we'll sand those out. So, yeah, get ready for this one.